This video is going to show you how easy it is to assemble this comfortable cedar log rocking chair. Now, this Lakeland Mills log rocking chair will come in a single box, and for assembly you'll just need a 7/16 socket, a rubber mallet, and a screwdriver or drill with a Phillips extension. Here we have Josh, who is going to show us the assembly of the rocking chair. Once you unbox your rocking chair, you'll want to get the pre-assembled seat and the pre-assembled back. You're going to insert the tenons of the back into the seat. Those tenons will slide right into the holes on the seat. A couple taps will seat them. And then you'll secure the back into the seat with a couple of screws. The screws will go through the back log of the seat and through the tenon of the back. This will secure the two together. Now Josh is going to make a right leg set. He'll attach the front leg to the back leg, then we'll set the arm on top. Once those are together, you can do the same thing for the opposite side. Attach the back leg into the front leg, and then the arm will sit on top of the front leg. Now attach the arm and leg assembly onto the chair. The tenons on the seat will go into the holes on the legs. A couple of taps will seat those onto the tenons. And then you'll run a couple more screws through the logs and into the tenons to lock those into place. Then one more screw to lock the arm onto the leg. And we'll flip the chair over and Josh will repeat the process on the opposite side. So you'll attach the leg and arm assembly onto the tenons, couple taps to secure them on. And then screw right through the log and into the tenon. Strategically drilled, you won't see the screw heads once assembled. The screws are zinc dichromite coated. They will not rust and streak. So you'll have a clean looking rocking chair 10-15 years down the road. Now we're going to secure the arms onto the back. You'll take your 7/16 extension, run the leg bolt through till the tip sticks through, and then line it up into the pre-drilled hole in the arm. Once that's lined up, just secure the leg bolt in with the drill. And that arm is on there nice and solid. Now we'll repeat the same process on the opposite side. Now it's time to attach the braces on the front. The 45-degree brace will secure onto the bottom of the seat and onto the leg. It's held in with a screw on each side. So one screw into the leg and one screw into the bottom of the seat. These braces will ensure that your rocking chair stays nice and solid and doesn't wobble. Now it's time to attach the rockers of the chair. The rocking sections will have pre-drilled holes, and just make sure that the rocker extends past the legs. And here again you'll use the 7/16 extension. And there's one side. Now just flip the rocking chair over. And we'll repeat the process again. And there you have it. Your rocking chair is complete. Let's move in here and take a closer look. Your cedar log rocking chair is made in America. It's made totally out of northern white cedar. Average lifespan is anywhere from 10 to 15 years if left unfinished, or if you decide to add an exterior finish, you can definitely extend the life by a good 5 or 10 years. The seat is contoured for comfort. It's a very comfortable rocking chair. And here's the rocking chair with our matching rocking love seat. Find them all on our website. That's logfurnitureplace.com. Have a great day.